Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mauricio here with another review, and today we're going to be looking at Magic Square's MS-B27B sound wall, also known as Sound Blaster. But before we get into the review, let's take a look at some of his accessories. Now he comes with 3 sets of hands. 2 are holding hands, which are on the figure. He comes with 2 sets of pointing hands, a left and a right, nicely sculpted. Then he comes with 2 eject hands, or pushing finger hands. One for his eject button, and I guess the other one is for his buttons on his, crotch area to hit play, record, or whatever. He comes with this little energon cube that absolutely does nothing. I mean, I guess it could slide into his chest. Like so. But that's about it. It's not like the masterpiece where you can just plug it in. So, no. He comes with his hand blaster. It's got a nice little red paint around here. Black plastic. I don't know if that's silver plastic or silver paint. It does retract for combine mode, can serve as his battery, and he does hold it well. He also comes with his shoulder cannon. Has red paint right there. It does articulate a bit, but if you go far back, it just pops off. So, and it sits right here on that hole. Just pop it in like so, and then you can articulate it a little bit. He comes with his sticker sheet, which I haven't even touched. Probably won't use it. And he comes with Laserbeak, but since Laserbeak is not a mercenary, and today happens to be Mercenary Monday, I swapped them out for a Buzzsaw, since Buzzsaw is technically a mercenary in the Netflix show. And he is very well sculpted. His wings articulate forward, like so, due to transformation. They can go up and down, like so. His head moves up and down. His feet can come in a little bit further if you want them to. Got nice yellow paint. Nice yellow paint on the eyes. Silver paint for the, I guess, jetpacks. And to transform him, just fold him in half. Fold out the feet. You're gonna fold up the wings like so. Fold out the jetpack. Like so, make it nice and flush. Just fold the wings in. And he does fit in his chest. So that's cool. Excuse me. Let me take him back out. Transform them back. Get these rockets out. Hinge them back on top. Flush them out. Get the feet out. Push the wings back. And if you have nails or a trusty tool, just pop out the head. And you have Buzzsaw, nice transformed. and just sit there on his shoulder. And that's basically it for his accessories. Put them away. Let's put Buzzsaw over here on the side. And let's take a look at him. Alright, so like we said, this articulates a little bit. Just try not to push it out that much because then it will pop off. He's got nice paint for the eyes. There you go. Silver paint for the mouthpiece. He does do a 360 because it's on a ball peg. He looks all the way up, not much down, not much of an attitude. His eject button is silver. His chest has nice yellow paint, nice purple translucent plastic. The arms all the way around, all the way out, 90 degree. He's got red paint right here on the wrist, and he's got wrist articulation due to the peg, and he's got a bicep swivel on a mushroom peg. Same for the other side. He's got a waist swivel, nice silver paint for the buttons. He's got a reversed ab crunch. He can kick out that far. He can kick back that far. He's got thigh rotation. He's got more than a 90 degree of knee bend. He's got gray paint, yellow paint, gray paint. He's got silver paint right there on the toes. The toes hinge down and they rock. Both sides. For the back, cleans up pretty well. So not bad. Let's just remove his weapons because they will serve as batteries for transformation mode. Alright, what are we going to do first? Let's do the arms. So we're going to hinge this out and unpeg it from the forearm, or I guess it's the forearm. Hinge this out. Just gonna leave it nice and flush like that. Let's get them out of the way for the time being. Let's work on the head. We're gonna pop this up. We're gonna move this out for a little bit. Pop this up like this. You're gonna lay the head flat and then rotate it in. And then we can close this up. We're gonna flip this little piece right here up. Okay, so far so good. What we're gonna do now is grab the buttons right here and flip them down. And we're gonna rotate it right there. And then we're gonna grab this piece right here. And we have to rotate it to the front. Mine always pops off this mushroom peg sometimes, but it's very simple to work around. And just move that up to the back, make it nice and flush. Alright, so far so good. Move the arms back down. We're gonna, on this butterfly joint, we're gonna, oh man, what do I do? Okay. We're gonna grab this peg and or tab, and we're gonna tab it right in there. So let's see. Bam. Same for the other side. Bam. And then this just stays flush right there. Alright. Now the legs. What we're going to do is start on flapping everything. Flip that out. Flip this up. Flip this out. And there's another one right here. Flip that down. And you got that going on. Now what you're going to do is take this little peg and we're going to try to stick it into that little hole right here. So we're going to pull up and we're going to move that out. What I find simpler is to flush this part of the back of the leg first, flush it out, and then you can just start pegging it in. Same for the foot. You can grab the foot, twist it in and flush it out, make it nice and straight, and then fold the toe in. And then you got that going on. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Start on flapping stuff. Grab that up, flip that up, flip this out. One more. I flip this down. So we got that. Same thing, peg into that slot. So pull up, come around, flush it out, and peg it in. Same for the foot, flush it out, fold the toe. All right, so far so good. Now you're gonna bend like that so the paint is on the outside. You're gonna bend the leg at the thigh so the paint is on the outside. And what we're gonna do is grab your trusty gun or battery, push that in. This is gonna peg into that hole right there, either or, it can be on either side. And that just goes right in there like so. And then for this side, you're gonna grab this little tab right here that goes on the shoulder, and you're gonna put it into that middle slot right in there. This one's a pain. Tends to fall off a lot. And it likes to fight you. Likes to fight you. Alright. So now we go back over here and you have a little peg hole right there, which is going to connect to that peg right there. You just see, always falls off, man. What the hell? It's alright. We'll figure it out in a minute. Peg that in. Voila. Come on, bud. Same process. Peg hole. And then you grab, I already did it for me, but what you're supposed to do is this piece that was floating around, you just hinge it forward and it fills that piece up. And there you have Sound Blaster in his alt mode. Let's take a look at him. So, very nicely done. Got the silver paint right there. I wish that was painted red, but it's not. So what can I do? Got the gray paint right here, gray paint down here. Cleans up very well from the front. From the sides is not bad. It's got some silver paint here. A little details there. On the other side, it's got even better details with the volume button and the on and off switch, and it's pretty cool. From the bottom, it's all gappy. I mean, what do you expect? From the back, it's a disaster, but that's every Soundwave. But it's got the batteries, which is pretty cool. And then you can put buzzsaw, Laserbeak, or the Scout in him if you want, which will look pretty cool. Some size comparisons. Magic Square car and a Hasbro Legends car. So it's not bad. It's not a bad little figure. I seem to like him. Soundwave's my guy. Since he's a representation of Soundwave, I had to get him. So now let's get him back into his robot mode. Pull out his little weapons. Make that hover. Let's work on the foot. Let's get this one done first. Unpeg. Pull all this up. This double hinge is a pain. There you go. That one's in. Pull out the feet. Start folding stuff again. So that foot's done. Let's work on this one. Pull that out. Extend. And we'll try to get that little peg in here. Right in there. Nice. Feet. Start folding things. Fold, 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 close. All right. The inside of the legs has to have the paint in them, just so you know if you're transforming them. All right, well, that came undone, so unpeg that, unpeg the arms, get them out of the way, push them up. Get the head out. Push that up, close this, move this. We are going to give them a split really fast. So we gotta rotate this on the bottom like so. And we gotta rotate this part around again. So what we're gonna do is just rotate that and then rotate him at the bottom. Flip that up, close that down. Hands you flip forward. Close this little door. Same for the other side. All right. Give him a shoulder cannon. Extend his weapon. Give him some buzzsaw on his shoulder. All right. So that's how you transform Sound Blaster. Now let me get some of his crew members in here. All right, first we're gonna start off with this dude right here, Exhaust. We got the little guy. His fellow cone heads. Still don't have Octane, but he's on the way. Check out Ape's review on that. And Double Dealer. So not a bad little crew. You know, these mercenaries are, you know, expanding apparently. So that's it for today's review. Hope you like the Mercenary Monday review. If there's any other figures you guys want us to check out or review, let us know. If not, we're just going to keep pumping them out. And let us know what you think in the comments. Till next time, peace.